I'm Annika. I love hanging out with friends. I love visiting coffee shops. I love photography, and I really like to run. The things that are most important to me in life are my faith, my family, adventure, and making a positive impact on others' lives. This summer, I had a really cool opportunity to work at Euro-Therapies as a therapist aide in the Euro-Pēds program. Having this experience was important to me because I am in college right now to someday work in the health field. As soon as anybody enters Euro-Therapies, you can tell that all the staff are super kind and encouraging, and that it's a really fun environment for kids and adults to be at. The staff at Euro-Pēds, they have a really unique heart and kindness about them, and although they're hired for their skill, you can also tell that they are clearly hired for their character. The Euro-Pēds program helps kids take their first steps, and that is so important because mobility brings independence. Not every patient can achieve the same things, but what we're doing is helping them reach their full potential. My main role was to assist the therapists with anything that they needed help with, so whether that be just grabbing equipment or just cleaning up a room, helping to transfer a child on a bike or into their wheelchair, various things like that. Another part of my job was to help clean treatment rooms in between patients to keep things safe during COVID. The thing that I loved probably the most was just seeing the impact I could make on patients' lives. Therapy is hard, and like other things in life, it can make a huge difference to have somebody there encouraging you and cheering you on. Patients have to feel seen and cared for and to know that you are on their side. If you got to come here and watch kids do their therapy too, you'd be inspired. They all require different things to help them reach their full potential. For example, some patients may use stim in their therapy sessions, or they may be in the cage to help work on balance and standing. We might go in a gait trainer or on a bike or the jetmobile so they can fly and move like Superman across the floor. The goal in all these therapies is for patients to gain confidence and strength so they can work towards greater mobility. What you should know about these patients is that they come from all over the country, and they come here because of the unique experience at Euro-Pēds, which is only here in Metro Detroit. A huge reason of why I wanted to work here this summer and how I even knew about Euro-Therapies is because my sister Katelyn is a patient here. Katelyn has a genetic condition called 5P-, which causes her to experience physical and mental delays. Katelyn has been a patient here for 10 years, and this is the place where Katelyn finally learned how to walk at age 9. In her life, she has done thousands of hours of therapy. She's laughed, she's cried, she's gotten tired, and she's even gotten upset, but she's never given up. She is the funniest person I know. She is super, super encouraging and inspiring, and she's exactly as God made her. Having a younger sister with these kinds of special needs makes our relationship different because she depends on me in ways that are different from a typical sibling relationship. She needs help eating, she needs help getting dressed, she needs help using the bathroom, and she needs help working on her exercises for therapy. When I show her love and support and inclusion, she thrives. I love spending time with Katelyn, whether we're going to the park and I'm going to push her on a swing, or if we're going to go to the zoo, or even if we're just going to go grab some french fries or ice cream. I always enjoy hanging out with her and showing her that her sister loves her. A few years ago, Katelyn had a spinal fusion for severe scoliosis. She came to Euro-Pēds for rehab after surgery. It was challenging to see her after her surgery because it seemed like she had to learn everything all over again. And as her sister, it was hard to see how all of her hard work seemed like it didn't matter anymore. But with the help of Euro-Pēds and the therapist here, she was able to walk again and get even stronger. Euro-Therapies and the Euro-Pēds program has changed Katelyn's life. So much of what she can do now is because she learned it here. The things we do here are cutting edge, and even if a patient has insurance, it may not cover the costs. The Euro-Pēds Foundation provides travel and treatment grants so patients can receive life-changing therapy here. When businesses or individuals donate to the Euro-Pēds Foundation, they help kids take their first steps. A great way to create impact year-round is by joining Euro-Pēds Foundation's monthly giving program. No matter who you are or how you're connected to our mission, kids just like Katelyn would love to have your support.